Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. I tried to do a dramatic entrance with the curtain, but you know, I failed. There's really nothing else much to say or do today in today's video other than just show you what is in this box, which is, I think, after my Balenciaga speed trainers, I think these are my next favorite sneaker in my entire collection. There's a lot of noise. Is there like a construction crew or something? I don't know. But these, look at this. There's nothing left to say. Like it's a black box. It says Dior on it. There's really there's nothing else to say other than to. Now I'm cheating a little bit because I got these yesterday and I was so excited to wear them. I just wore them out, so they're gonna have a little bit of. They're not gonna be like brand spanking new out of the box. But let's open it up. You got the Dior paper in there, and when you look at the label, what does it say, y'all? That's exactly what it says. These are so gorgeous. Like, I can't believe how beautiful these are. Like, I was a little bit scared about the kind of plastic component that it has to it. It's like canvas. I don't know if it's plastic, but I didn't want it to be see-through. I think that would be tacky. What is all this? What is all these big trucks? Why is it so noisy? Anyways, yeah, so I love that it has the Dior print over it so it doesn't look see-through, and then it's just like this classic lace-up, you know, kind of like a Converse reminiscent style sneaker, and I just love it. I love the branding, I love Dior, I love this little pull tab at the back that's kind of like this plastic material again, and like, see, this is what design is about. Like, you have this off-white color, then tan, then a black line. Like, everything just comes together beautifully in this shoe, and I'm wearing, like, my outfit today is inspired by these shoes because I went with kind of like this ecru off-white shirt, and then I went with these minimal white jeans. I decided to tuck it in and wear a black belt because I feel like, I don't know, this video is self-explanatory. I don't need to like do a lot of explaining. I don't need to do anything. It's just like beautiful shoe. Now, where did I get these? The link is down below. Definitely check them out. Check out their WhatsApp. They're amazing. Like, I've shown shoes from them before. Amazing customer service, super fast. Like, when I ordered these, they came in less than a week. And also you have like the random insects at the bottom, and then the branding Dior. I don't know, this is just like the way that this was delivered. The box is all intact, fast delivery, great customer service. Like, I'm gonna buy way more shoes from these people at Typeskick, and yeah, I love them. I also shaved my head yesterday. I love them. I love the shoe quality they give. Like, I would not promote a site that would give me like half par shoes, like shoes that, here, let me put you guys down here so you guys can see what I'm doing. That would give me just like half par shoes, or something that is just, you know, tacky. But these guys are amazing. I love them. I love how nice they are. They're always so accommodating. Like, do you have this size? Do you have that size? So definitely check them out. I have a coupon code as well for $10 off when you order through me and use my code, my discount code. And just get shoes. Shoes are what make the world go round, because you can have just a simple outfit like what I'm wearing, just buy yourself like a $20 pair of H&M white jeans, a $10 Zara shirt, tuck it in, get a nice belt, and let your shoes do the talking. And my shoes are doing the talking, and what are they saying? They're saying Dior. But yeah, I am in love with these. I wanted to thank you guys so much for allowing me to have this amazing job where I can review shoes like this and tell you about them. But definitely, if you want these, go check them out. They also have a pair that the Dior writing is in white, so I think that would look cool too. But it's just, I don't know. And I'm going to Europe, and I feel like these are just like such a statement piece. I don't know if I'll take my CDG Converse now that I have these. Like, I love those, but again, they're kind of in the same ballpark. So, I don't know. It's one of those shoes also where I'm kind of like, I'm babying them too. I'm like, oh my God, don't get dirt on them. Don't get wetness on them. Like, don't wear it here, don't wear it there. But I just need to, I feel like I don't know. I don't know if they'll look good all torn up like Converse do, but I don't know. I just can't stop looking at them. I can't stop wearing them. Let me show you guys my full OOTD with these. And you can't see my full OOTD, but this is the top part. Okay, so here they are on body. It's just like, you can see it. You can see the Dior. You can see it. And here I am. But yeah, thanks for joining me on today's video. I hope you loved the shoes as much as I did. Let me know what you love about them and what other shoes I should get. Give me some recommendations. Go check out Hypeskick in the description box. Talk to them on WhatsApp if you have any sizing or delivery or shipping questions. Everything is A1 quality and I love them, and I'm really great that not only I found a great shoe company, but I also found some great friends. So shout out to Hypeskick, and until next time, peace.